Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to sync Garmin Forerunner 70 with the Garmin Connect app. Okay, if you haven't paired a watch yet, install the Garmin Connect app on your phone. You can get it from the Play Store or App Store. And then on the watch, you gotta hold the middle left button. Then go to Watch Settings. Go to Connectivity, click on Phone, and in here you'll be able to click on Pair if you are not paired yet. If you are, the automatic sync should start automatically. Simply open, if you are paired with the Garmin Connect app, simply open up the Garmin Connect app on your phone. Keep the watch within about 10 meters to your phone, and your watch will automatically sync all activities, health data with the Garmin Connect. You can also perform the manual sync. To do it, you just gotta hold the upper left button, this one right in here, hold it, select sync from the list, and click on Start Stop button, the yellow one. Simply tap on that and then wait. And the watch will immediately begin syncing with the Garmin Connect. And that's how you can do it. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.